doing? So today I have Delicia, my sister. Okay, so today we are gonna do a fun video again. So we are gonna do my sister does my makeup video. And firstly, I'm totally barefaced. कुछ मेकअप नहीं है मेरे थोबड़े पे, कुछ मेकअप नहीं है. और आज ये मोहतरमा मेकअप आर्टिस्ट मेरा मेकअप करने वाली है. So introduce yourself, girl.
My name is Delicia Almeida. I'm in third grade and I am 7 years old.
Woo! Yeah! Shout out for introduction. She has practiced a lot. Okay, so as I said, we're gonna do the makeup tutorial. A small girl does my makeup, and so yeah, let's get started. I have given all sorts of makeup to her over here, and also brushes so that no confusion. I have not said any single thing to her like how to do and all of that thing, because she always keeps on looking when I do makeup and all. So maybe if she does it, so let's go. And first, be very gentle to my makeup. It's expensive. I don't
Just
like.
take your hair. That's
Okay, yeah. Okay. So what you're using, you have to say to my audience, because what is this? You have to, I don't know. Found.
This is a foundation I'm using.
Okay.
I'm applying little and I'm applying more. If you all want, then you all can put small little also. I did some mistake.
It's okay. It's okay.
I put that only.
No one is perfect, girl. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Just keep on showing what you're using. That is important.
Well, that is bent.
Yeah.
I'm using one sponge.
She's totally using that dabbing motion, which she keeps on looking when I like do makeup and all, like my hairs.
The hairs are coming in. Now,
brush.
I will use a small step brush.
Okay.
Just spreading it.
You can also use a big brush. Why are you using a small?
No, it is. Okay. How's your tell?
Very funny. You're using a small brush. You know everything still. You're just
kidding.
Just
Kidding.
kidding.
Kidding. I'm very scared. What?
Okay, scared. I thought you're saying just kidding.
Kidding? I'm not doing skating, huh?
Oh wow.
She's very funny.
Look at that glow. Then what are you using?
I'm using another compact. Sorry, compact.
This is a foundation again.
More what?
You can just twist it like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait. You will ruin it. You will just ruin it. It's expensive. Yeah. Why are you singing a song?
When I'm saying the song.
Just do it.
Okay.
Seriously, Delicia?
I'm using those.
At the end of this video, my makeup is just gonna get so ruined.
I will not make you so funny. I'll make it just.
Okay, so what are you using?
I'm using contouring and I'm using this much brush. This way.
Then?
First I will.
What are you doing?
It's not going there because it is not come on that.
It has come on that.
Oh.
You have to just.
I'm using my hand. Tie. Show me that side. What you are doing?
What you are doing? Be gentle.
I'm just getting with this way. Doing this way. Contouring is done.
New way of contouring just this part, not the whole cheekbone.
Okay, sorry.
No, you just can't do it again. You are done with that step. Go with other step. Eyes and lips are remain. What are you doing next?
Eye kajal.
What are you using?
Eye kajal. What is now?
I don't know. You can do whatever you want. You can do it over here as well, over here.
Okay.
Shit, yaar. Oh my god!
I will just. Skin is very fat, of your eyes. But I do like cannot do it. Nice.
You can't do it, okay? Just don't blame my eyes. Just don't keep on laughing.
Close your eyes now. If it will go in your eyes, otherwise. Open your eyes for just 4 minutes.
Open your mouth.
Mad what?
What are you doing?
I don't.
This is so weird, Alicia. You have to do my makeup.
Okay.
You're making me look like a cartoon. Seriously.
Sorry.
And who is gonna do the other eye? You're gonna keep it like that?
No, wait. I put more only. I think.
It's okay. Just don't ruin my face more. Just go with the flow.
You are not looking more.
You keep on doing.
I'm using now eyebrow pencil.
She's just sketching it, rather than how cool is.
Now I will wait from you also.
Don't do janbuj ke. Don't do janbuj ke. You have to look like you have to make me look good, not funny.
It is funny video only.
No, it is not a funny video. Late bara disa lagla hai?
Yeah. You are singing that good.
What the hell?
You are telling.
Now, on combing.
I'm combing her eyebrows, in which I make by mistakenly from the pencil, eyebrow pencil.
Like you are just doing like this and like this to me, Oh God, maaf karo mara.
Why you are taking Marathi?
I can't. Okay, go. Now, lip balm. Okay, she's using a lip balm.
It is purple color.
Purple. अरे छोड़ देना, बाद में बंद कर देंगे ना. क्यों इतना आपको बंद करना है? What are you using now?
I'm using a lip gloss.
A lip gloss. She's using a lip gloss. It's a liquid lipstick. It's not a lip gloss.
Oh, I forgot it.
Okay.
It is not coming yet.
It is there.
Oh. Spread it now. Hey, wait. Now you can spread it.
Now
I'm using eyeshadow. That is a pink.
That is a pink.
First I will apply little here. Then I take one.
You can use your finger. Why you need a brush?
Because
Every time. I have to wash my brush again for you.
But I'm putting the 3 layers, na. That's why.
This girl has not been given any chance to do makeup, so now she's just gonna explore on my face. I really
light pink. But that pink is not coming nicely.
उसके हाथ तरस रहे थे किसी के ऊपर मेकअप करने के लिए, और अभी वो मेरे मुंह पे पूरा निकाल रही है, गुस्सा लगता है। शिट यार। हिंदी वीडियो। Done.
I'm just putting on this.
Put your also.
Mario, what? I'm just spreading it. After spreading it will look light only.
You're just काय करावं लागलं अशी अशी.
I'm doing it first time.
That's why. Do your. This face is my experiment.
You're mad. Use this lipstick for doing on your cheeks.
काय बोलता काय? लिपस्टिक बोलता.
No,
Do
I know that. I'm doing a blush. I'm not going to see.
Be gentle with my face.
Okay.
You're just doing like this, like this, like this, like this.
Mario. So me that jiggle. No,
Oh,
one
God.
thing is remain. I think one.
Done?
Yeah, it is done.
So what will you name this makeup look? When should I wear this makeup look? Like the night, morning of my college? You have to speak. Come, speak.
It wears it in any program. That time you will
Serious?
tell.
Chuda? You made me look like Chuda. Okay. Anyways, guys, I really hope that you like this video. Come up to the camera.
Your eyes are looking like a shooter. Buggy, you a man.
Okay, so yeah, you have to do the last intro thing. I hope you guys. Cock. I love you guys. Enjoy this video. Do subscribe for more and.
Just subscribe, for she's my best sister.
What liar you are. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys.